equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a replacement LCD cover compatible with your HP Envy 13. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, carefully remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any clips. With the back panel off, locate the LCD assembly. You will see several screws securing the LCD cover. Remove these screws carefully, ensuring you don't lose them. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the assembly. Be cautious of any cables that may be attached. Disconnect them carefully to avoid damage. Now is a good time to clean the internal components with the microfiber cloth, removing any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This will help improve the overall performance of your laptop. Now, take your new LCD cover and align it with the assembly. Ensure that any cables are properly routed and not pinched. Secure the new cover in place by replacing the screws you removed earlier. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. After securing the LCD cover, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws in the back panel, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. Finally, power on your HP Envy 13 to check that everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We are here to help you with any technical difficulties you may face. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover on your HP Envy 13. Remember, if you need assistance, we are just a call away, and with our no calls, no travel service, we make it easy for you to get your laptop repaired without the hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.